Welcome back to Tech Collective. We are back for our viewers with a new, interesting, and exciting video. We want to talk about 10 great inventions and gadgets you need to see on our channel this time. Number 10 is Wainlux K6 Laser Engraver. K6 is flexible and enables you to engrave your model on almost any object. You can imprint fabric, leather, plastic, wood, and metal with your logo. Would you like to decorate your emoji with coffee, snacks, and fruit? You can use this cool laser engraver on practically everything to unleash your imagination. Only your imagination limits how much you can do with this portable laser engraver. Thanks to the intelligent control feature that allows you to connect and control the device using a smartphone or laptop, the Wainlux portable engraver is simple to use. It also comes with an app on your phone, Wainlux app, where you can edit your designs. If you like to edit your plans and photos on a computer, there is dedicated software to achieve your tasks quickly. In the finished project, Wainlux K6 has a preview feature that lets you see how the image will look. This is an excellent feature because it removes chance and minimizes damage and loss from the creative process. The innovative rail and basic design, which enables you to engrave an object of any size, is one of the cool laser engraver's outstanding features. Besides, its laser power of 3,000 megawatts makes it 3 times faster and stronger than any other portable engraver. Number 9 is Pero-Wearable Gesture Controller. The Pero is an innovative and versatile wearable mouse that weighs approximately 36 grams and comes in 2 sizes. The wearable device delivers a lightweight and compact design, as shown in the images, and the silicone band provides a comfortable fit for every user with a curved strap design. The mouse works on Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android, iOS, iPad, Android TV, Samsung HID, and more devices using built-in Bluetooth connectivity and an optional 2.4 GHz receiver. The wireless mouse also features the GR algorithm IMU sensor to capture and recognize your hand's movement accurately, so it supports up to 48 gesture commands. Besides, the wearable mouse comes equipped with a thumb button that acts as a mouse click, and for easy access, it is placed right next to your thumb. Besides, it features an integrated capacitive touch panel that accurately recognizes each and individual fingertip and is more flexible when pressed down and operated. The wearable mouse analyzes your natural motion behaviors and patterns using its companion program to provide customized setting feedback, and charging for 37 minutes provides up to 37 hours of use. Number 8 is Pico, a versatile mini garden that waters itself. Pico is a tiny garden that matches your hand in your palm. This is the best plant you can ever look after, self-watering with a built-in LED lamp. Have you ever had problems growing plants? Forgotten about them maybe, and found them dead, shriveled up somewhere on a too dark shelf? I assume we were all there. Well, in the form of a smart gadget named Pico, support is now on the way. This colorful little box has a remarkable claim to fame. With more than $2 million raised by 18,000 supporters, it has enjoyed the most backed plant campaign in the history of Kickstarter. Number 7 is Eyeride HUD. Make any helmet smart. When showing Google Maps on a translucent screen, the Eyeride HUD keeps you focused on the path to get you where you are going. The directional microphone keeps you associated with other drivers, while the 99 decibel flat speakers effectively blast your favorite tunes. The smallest nanotechnology powers the Eyeride HUD from Sony OLED, which provides a 3 times better image than your iPhone screen. That means greater visibility, clarity, and colors that are crisper. The brightness can be adjusted for personal preference. However, it is possible to mount the Eyeride HUD on any helmet and comfortably install it in 2 minutes. As you ride and watch the heads-up display, you can even wear your glasses. Everywhere on your bike, you can install a small Bluetooth 5.0 button that is handy for triggering voice commands or changing music from any app. Both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay apps are compatible, but distractive apps for phones will be disabled. Number 6 is Ultimaker S3 3D Printer. The new Ultimaker S3 provides high-quality, composite-ready output from your laptop, all effectively. Packed with the latest technology, it is simple to use as it is efficient, giving disruptive companies the most cost-effective way to implement in-house 3D printing. The Ultimaker S3 is a full production device that you can rely on in the studio or office, with sophisticated features to guarantee a consistent printing experience. Thanks to its award-winning touchscreen and smooth app integration, it's always easy to use. Dual extrusion with a construction volume of 230 by 190 by 200 millimeters, 9 by 7.4 by 7.9 inches, down to 20 microns, a thousandth of an inch, layer resolution. Open filament device compatible with composites of glass and carbon fiber. Dual filament flow sensors alert you if the 4.7-inch touchscreen display is running out of content. Number 5 is Glamos Touchless Screen. All new Glamos are a motion sensor in humans' new century, providing a virtual touchscreen everywhere. At the same time, you can attach it to your computer and switch your screens to interact instantly. The great thing is that you can project near you an invisible touchscreen and control system far away from you. Also within 3 feet of the radius, it senses your motion, whereas most other sensors within a limited range sense movements. But Glamos scales the virtual touchscreen size automatically. However, the screen could be as small as your mobile screen or as broad as 6 by 3 feet. You can also transform your screen into an interactive split second. Similarly, either on your wall or the air or a whiteboard, you can project a virtual touchscreen anywhere you want. Features include pocket-sized instant touchscreen, 3-foot radius, 180-degree field of view, lightning speed, fast setup, super compatible, power efficient, LiDAR technology. Seamless link doesn't drain your computer. Versatile, interactive, turns on your screen. Tiny yet mighty, senses your movement. Number 4 is Circle Zero. The Circle Zero self-cleaning litter box is a premium auto cat litter box robot that enables you to provide your cat with a clean litter box without the hassle of manual scooping every day. It cleans waste automatically 7 minutes after your cat has left the robotic litter box, with the aid of the motion sensor. The Circle Zero comes with 2 scoop types, optimized for various types of clumping cat litter, such as bentonite and soybean litter. To rake out and correctly filter out all clumped waste into the separate 2.5-liter waste bin located in the rear main body, the patented scoop will rotate twice. Afterward, to flatten the litter nicely, it can turn backward once. To the rim, the scoop rotates 360 degrees. Litter and turds clumped up are filtered and dropped into the waste container at the unit's back. If the motion sensor detects any movement, it stops spinning immediately and waits 7 minutes until a new safe cleaning cycle starts. Number 3 is Effie, the new ironing machine. Effie is an advanced ironing machine using patent-pending technology and promises to press the clothing automatically. Not only does the unit iron your clothes, but if they are damp, it even dries them. It comes with a device that is straightforward and simple to manage. There's a single button you have to turn on, and the appliance does its magic. It's a steam ironing emulation and is designed for domestic use. On the exposed rail, hang your washed clothes and turn the computer on. It will do the rest. For 12 things in a single go, it can do the job, thereby saving a lot of time and money. What it takes to press 12 papers is a little duration of 3 minutes. By contacting them and using steam, it irons the clothing. By taking up a shirt, regardless of its size, design, color, or cut, ironing it, the machine automates the ironing method. Number 2 is PowerEgg X Drone. The PowerEgg X from PowerVision is a multifunction system that can be used as a standalone personal AI camera, a 3-axis AI handheld camera, or a high-performance drone. The AI algorithm and robotics technology capabilities allow the PowerEgg X to perform facial recognition, deep learning, and a tracking field of view up to 170 degrees in the autonomous personal AI camera mode. The PowerEgg X captures your life moments when turned into the handheld mode using its 3-axis mechanical stability, augmentation, gimbal, and autonomous personal AI camera. It's got a battery life of 3.5 hours and generates UHD images at 4K 60 frames per second. The PowerEgg X is also a high-performance drone fitted with a 4K 60 frame per second camera and innovations to improve mechanical stability in a triaxial way. It can be used for aerial photography, which is exceptionally dynamic. Besides, the proprietary sync voice technology of PowerVision enables users to narrate in real time using the microphone or a wireless earphone of their cell phone. The narrative is then synchronized with photographs automatically, effectively ending silent aerial photography. Number 1 is CZUR Shine Ultra Portable Scanner. A combination of a smart scanner and a multifunctional desk lamp, CZUR Aura, the next generation smart scanner, not only is the CZUR Aura book scanner, but is also a high-quality table light. Traditionally, because of the curve and the thickness, books are challenging and sluggish to scan. With an intelligent image algorithm that changes the curved 3-dimensional sheet into a flat page at high speed, the CZUR Aura solves this problem. It is an advanced solution for scanning paper products, including bound ones, as a smart scanner. As a smart lamp, various lighting modes can be changed via our app with sound control technology. What's more, with its unique sculptural shape, the device also cuts a substantial figure. The Aura clearly and easily scans single flat pages as well as bound books and documents. I have to unbind books before scanning is solved by its groundbreaking book curve flattening technology. CZUR's patented book curve flattening technology utilizes 3 precise laser lines for unparalleled scanning precision and picture transparency. This allows the Aura the ability to scan and reproduce the individual flat pages of curved books accurately. Software-integrated AI technology makes scanning and image processing smarter and more comfortable. We ask you to please use our comments section to reach us, and we will always be here to attend your comments. I hope you like our video. Do not forget to sign up for our YouTube channel. Please tap the bell icon to see our new and exciting video updates.